Hi, this is Dr. Bob. I'm a blind YouTuber that aspires to be a radio personality one day. And you're watching IWAY, Interview with a YouTuber.
Interview with a YouTuber. Interview with a YouTuber. Tell me what you're waiting for. Tell me what you're waiting for. You wanna get it highway, my way. Talk about the flyway, no way. You wanna get it highway, highway. Tell me what you're waiting for.
Welcome back to IWAY. It is 2022 and we are back. Hello, Dr. Bob. Here are my questions to you. How did you find out about me?
So it's funny how I found your YouTube channel. A lot with text-to-speech voices because I'm a blind person. So I've dealt a lot with screen reading software and how it works, and it's really a fascinating thing if you look into it. But there's this YouTube channel that makes these videos of text-to-speech voices reading errors and stuff. Most of those videos are not family friendly, however, but a lot of them are pretty funny regardless. Well, in his videos he'd always talk about IWAY cookies and Domingo 0022 and whatever, and he'd make up these characters. So I thought, well, this guy was just making up stuff, and then I found out that you had commented on one of his videos. I think it was one of his Canada Day specials, and you left a comment there. So I'm like, oh man, this person is actually a YouTuber, so let me go check out his channel. And so I found your YouTube channel, and I started watching a bunch of your videos, and I watched a lot of your old IWAY videos, and just your videos about your life, and I got a chance to know you, man, and I really appreciate what you do, and that you still continue to make content all these years later. I really appreciate that.
Question 2. What is your aspiration in life?
Aspire to be a radio personality. I've been kind of bouncing in and out of the radio business since at least 2007, and been working at several radio stations, and I've always wanted to just talk on the radio and play music for a bunch of people. That's been a goal of mine for quite some time, and actually now I have a radio show in Georgia, in the state of Georgia, Dr. Bob's Jazz Corner at 97.5 in Valdosta, Georgia, a small town close to where Florida is. And I've had that show now for a little over a year, and I'm real happy with it. I get to play music and I get to talk on the radio. It's really, really fun, and I hope to make it big in radio one day.
Question 3. What kind of videos do you have?
So if you check out my YouTube channel, post a lot of videos. They're all unique videos. I try to post whatever I'm doing with my life, and I like to post whenever I take trips. Like, for example, there's a lot of videos of me at Disney World. I've taken pictures and videos in Chicago, and I've gone to Tampa and taken pictures. I've gone to St. Augustine, and I just like to travel and film things as I go. And I also like to take a lot of videos here at home where I eat cookies and stuff, and I review cookies. So there's a wide variety of videos on the channel. I've been doing YouTube now for about 9 years. So I started out in 2013 as a kid in just going into high school, and I was posting weird, awkward videos. You know how kids in high school go. But ever since then, I've grown the channel, and I've actually gotten pretty popular on YouTube Shorts. My videos have gotten several thousands of views. Just me eating cookies or French fries or taking rides at Disney World. I've gotten a lot of views doing that because of YouTube Shorts. So I'm really grateful for that.
Question 4. Who is one of your inspirations in life?
One of my inspirations in life is a gentleman by the name of DJ Laz. DJ Laz, I've actually had the pleasure to meet with him, and actually he was the first person I called that actually worked in radio. I got up one morning in 2007 and I called him and I said, hey, I want to come down and talk with you on the radio. I want to meet you and see what you do, because I was fascinated by how radio worked back then. So he invited me to come into the studio, and we got to work together, and it was really fun. And I've known him now for about 15 years. He's a really good guy, and if you don't know who DJ Laz is, look him up. DJ Laz, DJ L-A-Z. He's related to Pitbull. Good guy also. I got a chance to meet him back before he became super famous. And both DJ Laz and Pitbull have been very kind to me over the years, and I'm very grateful to know both of these gentlemen.
And finally, Marvel or DC?
Marvel or DC Comics? I think that because I'm a big Disney person, I'm gonna have to go with Marvel Comics. I'm actually not really into comics at all. I'm not really into superheroes that much. But I mean, I like the original Batman with Adam West, and I like the Spider-Man shows and stuff. But I'm just not really into the comics like that. But if I did have to make a choice, I'd probably have to go with Marvel, just because of the legacy it carries. Well, thank you, sir. I really appreciate being able to chat with you today. I hope you guys check out my channel. If you'd like, you can follow me on social media, Twitter, @TheAmazingDrBob, or Instagram, bob.cookies. That way you can keep up to date with my daily adventures. I post content on there every day. And I thank you for your time, sir. This has been real fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much for watching IWAY once again. Man, this feels so good to do this, and I'm only doing this once a month, so check out Dr. Bob in the description below or at the end of the video in the annotations. Definitely subscribe to him. He's got a lot of great content, and I am applauding him for his aspirations as a radio personality. You go, Dr. Bob. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you next month for another IWAY video, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.
Interview with a YouTuber. Interview with a YouTuber. Tell me what you're waiting for. Tell me what you're waiting for. You wanna get highway, my way. Talk about the flyway, no way. You wanna get highway, highway. Tell me what you're waiting for.